Welcome to the premiere of America's Got Manufacturing. Let's check in with our first contestant.
Welcome. So what's your name?
Cambridge Lee.
What makes your company so cool?
To answer that question, let's dive a little deeper into Cambridge Lee and what they do, starting with how they start their pipes off.
I'm a tapper, so what I do is I open up the tap hole once we have temperature for the molten copper, and then we pour it down launders into a hurt, and then pour molds.
As Jeremy said, the first step in the tube making process is melting down copper and pouring it into molds which are about 20 feet long. Did you know all of the copper pipes made by Cambridge Lee are made of 100% recycled copper? The copper molds, otherwise known as billets in the copper industry, get cut into different shapes or get set off into another facility. This is where the copper from the billets will get turned into longer strips of tube. The final step to copper tube making is getting the tube to be the right size and length. The tube sits in huge bins wound up. It gets fed into a machine where it gets cut down as the proper length. Straight copper tubes range from 10 to 20 feet each. Some of the tubes are used in hospitals and facilities where the tube must be clean. In this case, the tubes will be rinsed in 5 different containers. After they're cut, they're sent to be packaged. This is where the tubes can also be turned into coils, which range from 60 to 100 feet. The tubes will then be processed through packaging. If the tubes didn't turn out right, they will turn blue and be separated. Different machines will pack the tubes, wrap them up, and they'll be sent to a different facility to be shipped off.
What differs you guys from the competition?
Is solving problems, because you never know what you're going to run into every day, and you just figure it out with the rest of your coworkers and get better a little bit every day.
You know, don't think of it as a rough and tough kind of job. You do a lot of value-added work day in and day out. It's exciting. You know that you're contributing to a greater good and a a larger cause than you think.
Wow, that was cool.
I felt like you were showing us about you guys and your family at Cambridge Lee.